On this side, we have the portfolio, and you could see again the red is the ratio of this price BZ to the entire portfolio, and this one would be the ratio to the primary index, the price. And as would be expected, you could see FAZ is down. But that's what I meant it to be, to hedge a little bit. So what's going on here? Again, we're on a 1 hour indicator, and notice, by the way, it is now showing us the worst performers, which I really love this. The worst performers right here, as you can see, the relative strengths are down compared to the two indices, and so immediately you could tell what's going on here. And that this is a 1 hour basis, and of course I could zoom in. We got a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, lots of indices, and as you can see, we got even a closer look over here, and we can even get a closer look by zooming in a little bit more, which I don't like to do, but sometimes I have to. No, I went out the wrong direction, and I want to zoom out. Zoom. Okay. Hello. Come over here. There we go. And you notice how big now we can see things that are going on. Of course, we had to readjust this, but that's not a big deal. But we were able to read this a little better. What you could do is just drag this stuff out, like so, whatever. This makes me think. It's early in the morning. But as you can see, these are the nasties, okay, even though they're profitable, okay, but they're not the strongest of the bunch. So if we wanted to see that, let's just sort it descending, and it takes time for it to chunk along. That's a technical term. That means I don't have the fastest CPU around, and it's coming along. Let's see. What can we follow here? This is really coming along nicely here. This thing called RDN, and we are again watching this in real time on an hourly basis. Did it go? Did it sort yet? No, it's still doing its thing. Of course, I could edit this out, but I've got a whole 10 minutes, so I might as well take my time here. And besides, it's fun and educational to watch. I think a picture is worth $1,000. I mean, 1,000 words. So chunking along. Again, we are scanning 150 some odd stocks for relative strength, and that is a phenomenal. Well, I've been trading for like, I don't know, 30 years. I don't want to tell my age, but and a lot of the stuff was done on paper, so you can imagine what a difference this makes. Here we go. So let me just move this up to the top, and lo and behold, look at this. See how we can just zoom right in, and look at this baby here. 39.8% in one day. And look at this. All right, that does not get your blood running. No. It's only money. Money. That's just if I was able to pick these. So I'm lucky to pick out a handful of these, and you should be also. And watch some more of these YouTube episodes. And in fact, if we click on here, you can see what's going on. Look at this standard register, whatever that is. We're looking at a 1 hour basis. Look at that baby go. I don't even know where to begin to explain all these various rules I have down and what have you. It's just experience over many years. A little math background and some statistical analysis and stuff like that. And learned a long time ago, don't pay attention to voodoo graphs. And I won't tell you. I'll have to wait till somebody asks you what a voodoo graph is, voodoo trading is. But I learned a long time ago not to do voodoo trading. Trying to predict the future with voodoo curves. And I think I deal with is strength. And a body in motion tends to continue in motion unless stopped by a brick wall. I think Newton said that. Yeah, it was Newton. I'm pretty sure it was. Anyhow, look at this baby go. And in fact, this one here is, yeah, you can see this out of the ballpark, okay? It went from 27 to 37. I didn't get that one, guys, but look at POL. I'm just clicking these here, see? Again, we're looking at a 1 hour basis. And I could easily turn this into a 1 day. Actually, I like to start out at 1 week and whittle my way down to 1 hour. And so we can see it's really looking very nice. This is on a 1 day basis. You just can't go wrong. I mean, why would you want to buy an option and have it expire when you can play around with these little guys? Now, let's see what happened over here. This hasn't refreshed yet, so let's see. Not certain which way we're sorting, but POL, there it is. Okay. As you can see, the relative strength. I don't know. Let's stretch this out a little bit. Okay, back to the future. Back to what are we? Oh, we're looking at 1 day. Excuse me. I thought we were looking at 1 hour. But notice how the various indices, the relative strengths change, so you can see immediately what you're doing here. It's pretty cool. And on a 1 day basis, let's see. Probably it's, well, I'll do it anyhow. Okay, we have to wait till this sorts. There we go. Now look at this. I don't know who I'm talking to. Anyone wants to listen to me? Dollar thrifty. Holy moly! Just take a look at these relative strengths over here. Just absolutely unbelievable. Okay, but it is believable, and we're looking at real time, and it's pretty exciting. I think you don't really need lots of money to start dabbling into this, and if by popular demand, I'll want more information on some of this stuff. If I could remember all this, it is documented. And here comes my favorite, Caw. That is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, and just take a look at this guy here. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I can get this thing to run. And let's learn how to do this, especially early in the morning.